Next would be yung overhandling or yung tinatawag natin na honeymoon phase. Now, this is especially hard if this will be your first snake and the only snake you have in your possession. Kasi pagdating sa'yo ng bago mong snake, doesn't matter kung hatchling, sub-adult, or adult, let it at least settle down for at least a week bago mo siya i-handle. Kaya mo munang kumain para sa'yo kahit isang feeding man lang bago kayo mag-bonding. If you handle your snake every day the moment you get home or every single day, it can trigger higher stress levels para sa alaga mo. And high levels lead to immunosuppression, making your snake more vulnerable to, let's say, respiratory infections. So, the fix is, pagkadating sa'yo ng pet snake mo, follow the 7-day rule. Let them settle in for at least a week or 7 days before you start handling them. Kasama na dyan, kailangan nakakain na sila at least once para sa'yo before you handle them. And of course, do not forget, 24 to 48 hours after eating, saka mo sila pwede i-handle to avoid regurgitation.